Adventures. Hey guys, welcome to Olive's Adventures.
What are we doing today?
We are getting ready for my recital. So, I get my recital dress first to show you guys. And then we're going to do my makeup. So first we're going to use this. First, we're going to use, what is it? So first we're going to use my mom's highlighter. And we're going to put it on me. So we're going to make sure to put it right in the right spots. It's right here. And under here. And under here. And then next we're going to use the blush. See? Okay, we're going to make sure to use the pink one because that's the right one for your recital. But if you're having like, if you want to use like the pink one that you got on your tablet, in your makeup tablet, then I'm going to put that back there, and then next we're going to use, what is this again?
Powder?
Next we're going to use powder. What brush are we going to use?
The big one.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to use a big one because this big one is really good. So we're just going to put it all on my cheeks. Where do we put it?
Everywhere.
Okay, so we're going to put it everywhere. Over your face. And we close it up. Then we put this back. We put the brush back. Then we're going to use, so it's called an XXXL Shine Lip Gloss. So we're just going to put it on my lips, on the top and on the bottom. I kind of go in the middle because I can't really reach all the way to the top. But if you can reach all the way to your top lip, then you can just put it on your top lip.
Tell us about your dress.
So this is my recital dress, and it's like spaghetti or pizza. So today it's my recital. So my mom's going to get bobby pins for my hat. So I'll show you about the dress. So the dress is really sparkly because they probably added some sequins. And my mom ordered these shoes for the dress. And I got this at my rehearsal. What?
That looks really good.
You're supposed to say action.
Action.
So we're here to our recital, and we're gonna go on this. I'm gonna show you inside of our recital. So come on, let's go.